Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Children, let's enjoy today's class with birds. Our today's topic is domestic birds. Let me say first, what are domestic birds? The birds we keep at our house as pet to get eggs and meat from them as our food. You may see these birds in the poultry farm also. Now, let's see the pictures of those birds and learn something about them to identify them properly. This is a domestic bird and its body is orangish brown in color. It lays eggs. I know this is very well known to us. Yes, this is hen. This is also a domestic bird like hen, and its body is also orangish dark brown in color, but it does not lay eggs. Yes, children, this is cock. Children, see, cock has a big red or orange comb or feathered crest on its head, whereas hen has a small comb. This helps us to identify them. The another bird is an amphibian. That means it lives both on land and in water. It has a broad and flat beak, which can be yellow or orange in color. The flat feet is another special body feature of its. The name of this bird is duck. This beautiful bird is also an amphibian, but it is always milky white in color and big-sized also. It also has a broad and flat beak like duck. Its color is yellow or orange. Flat feet are also its special body feature. Children, do you know its name? Yes, the name of the bird is swan. Here you saw so many colorful birds. Some of them look alike and some are different. Now it's time for recap. We saw hen, cock, duck and swan. So children, you watch this video again and again to identify the birds very well. So today this much only. And see you soon with something new. Bye bye.